Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Today, we're diving into something that a lot of people are curious about, network marketing. But not just the general idea. We're talking about how to actually choose the right network marketing company.
Exactly. It can be a really overwhelming decision, right? There are so many companies out there, all promising amazing opportunities. How do you even begin to sort through it all?
It is, and that's why we wanted to break it down into some key steps. We're going to share what we think is the most important tip, plus some crucial aspects to consider before you jump in.
Sounds good. So, what's that golden piece of advice you were talking about?
All right, so here it is. Focus on the product first, the company second. I know it sounds simple, but it's so important.
Okay, unpack that for us. Why is the product so much more important than the company itself?
Think about it this way. If the product is genuinely valuable, high quality, and either something people need regularly or offers a unique solution, it's going to be easier to sell. And more importantly, people will actually want to buy it, whether or not there's a marketing network attached.
So it's about creating a sustainable business based on genuine demand, not just relying on recruitment.
Precisely. Long-term success in network marketing hinges on the product itself. So before you even look at the compensation plan, ask yourself these questions about the product.
Okay, hit us with those questions.
First, does it have a unique selling proposition or USP? What makes it different from everything else on the market? Is it easily replicable?
That's a good one. Because if it's just a generic product that anyone can find anywhere, it's going to be a tough sell.
Exactly. Next, is it high quality and does it actually work? Are there testimonials or scientific evidence to back up the claims?
Gotta make sure you're not just selling snake oil, right?
Exactly. Then, how easy is it to use or understand? If it's complicated, people are going to be less likely to buy it and stick with it.
Makes sense. Keep it simple.
And this is a big one. Is it consumable? Meaning, does it run out and need to be repurchased regularly? Things like health supplements, personal care items, household products, those are ideal.
That recurring revenue stream. The holy grail of business.
Absolutely. And then, who needs this product? What's the target market? And how big is that market?
Gotta make sure there's actually a demand for what you're selling.
Exactly. And finally, can people afford it? Is the price competitive for the quality and benefits it offers?
All right, so those are some great questions to ask about the product itself. But what about the company? What aspects should we be looking at there?
Okay, so first, look at the company's stability and reputation. How long have they been around? The longer, the better, because it usually means they have a proven track record.
Yeah, you probably want to avoid those brand new companies that pop up overnight, right?
Exactly. Who's running the show? Do they have experience in network marketing and in the product industry? Do your research on the management team.
And what about their overall reputation? How do you even gauge that?
Check online reviews. See if they're a member of the Direct Selling Association, DSA. And be wary of companies with a lot of complaints about the products or the compensation plan.
Good to know. So, reputation and stability, check. What's next?
The compensation plan. This is crucial. Is it fair? Does it depend solely on recruiting people? Or can you actually make money by selling the product?
That's a big one. You want to make sure it's a sustainable MLM that rewards actual sales, not just pyramid schemes.
Exactly. Understand how you'll earn money, direct sales commissions, leadership bonuses, overrides on downline sales. Make sure you understand all the details.
Okay, so compensation plan is key. What other company aspects should we consider?
Training and support. What kind of support do they offer, both from the company and from your upline? Do they provide training on the product, on marketing, and on team building?
Yeah, you don't want to be left out in the cold with no guidance.
Exactly. Do they have materials like brochures, videos, online resources? Do they offer regular training events or webinars?
All right, good support system is a must. Anything else?
Yeah, this one might seem a little softer, but it's important. The company's culture and values. Are they aligned with your own personal values? It's easier to be passionate and successful if you believe in the company's mission and ethics.
That makes sense. You want to feel good about what you're doing and who you're working with.
Exactly. Is it a supportive environment for distributors? Is the working environment positive? These things matter.
So, to recap, focus on the product first, then check the company's stability, reputation, compensation plan, training and support, and overall culture and values.
You got it. And remember, do your due diligence. Research the company, the product, and the compensation plan thoroughly before you join.
Fantastic. Any final thoughts or examples you want to throw in?
Just a quick note on product examples. Often, consumable products that focus on health, beauty, or daily needs tend to have high repeat purchase rates. Think health and wellness products, personal care items, eco-friendly home care, even essential oils.
Yeah, things people already use and need.
Exactly. So, that's our take on choosing a network marketing company. We hope this has been helpful.
Definitely. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.